All right, for our Caribbean guest, a special tropical briefing, just touching base with you with what I'm watching and what we could be looking at in the days ahead. And for the next several days, I don't see tropical development being a problem, but what I'm looking at and what we're talking about in this briefing is similar to what we saw with Agatha/Alex, another East Pac storm around just south of the Tehuantepec region in Mexico could form a storm on the Caribbean side. So as you watch this play out, several things are important. Don't look at this model and say, that's happening on the 20th. We got to make, no. I'm showing you an area that I'm tracking. Where it will go long range is wide open. It could just as easily be a system that goes to Mexico and South Texas as it is something to go to Florida. Reason being, the farther you go out in time, the larger the errors can get. So here's what's to know and important about this potential system. I don't want you focusing, of course, on the specific location long range, but where it's developing, that is important and what we're keeping an eye on. The timing and the region where it lands, as I've stated, it's just too far to say what that's going to be, if anything, for U.S. impacts. But I am thinking a tropical system coming up from the southwestern Caribbean is going to be possible to get into the Gulf of Mexico next weekend and might impact the U.S. Still way too early again to say where, but might hit the U.S. around the 19th or the 20th. In the meantime, we've seen the models be consistent in developing something. However, they have kind of been playing around. Sometimes it's one storm on the Pacific side, one storm on the Caribbean side, and at other days we've been seeing two on the Caribbean, one on the Pacific. So it could be 1 to 3 systems that we're tracking. Bonnie's the next name in the lineup, Colin after that. But again, just the important thing here is keep checking back. I'll keep doing the tropical briefings and we'll get you there by next weekend. We'll know exactly what is coming our way or nothing at all, so you're ready to go for your upcoming vacation.